I am really fond of. And actually it's a great drink in the winter and in the summertime. And it's hibiscus tea. Now it's made from hibiscus flowers, which don't look very promising, but really, makes for a really tart, delicious tea. So I'm going to, I'm just waiting for the kettle to boil. I'm going to put them into a jug with some slices of ginger, and we're just going to let that steep. Then I'm going to put a little bit of sugar in it. You can put honey in if you like. And then once it's chilled, that's that. And it's really, really delicious. You can also put, in Morocco they also put mint with it as well. So you can just have hibiscus and mint, but I like ginger. And just like a lot of teas and steeped waters, you can just literally make a cup of them, let them cool down a bit, and then just leave them in the fridge until you want to have them. Sometimes, by the way, you can put cloves in here too, or a piece of cinnamon. You can kind of make it to your taste. You're on my YouTube channel, so it's going to be how I like it, okay? Hopefully you do too. Now, literally, I'm just going to put a plate on top of this and just let it sit until I'm ready for it. And then I'm going to strain it. But you can see already, you know what I was saying about the colour? And you ain't seen nothing yet. It's going to get darker and darker. Ginger, and you can see just from those few things, it started to be pale pink, that it's got really thick and dark looking, and it's actually kind of fabulous. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put in sweeten it with some honey. And I'm going to put it straight into the glass. Kind of do it to taste, because I think honey is a great complement to the tart flavour of. You could put sugar if you want to, or agave nectar. Okay. And that's it. So, cheers. Oh, that's refreshing. That is so good.